Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Just doing this tune up here on this 2016 Tahoe 5.3 liter. I've already done the driver's side and I just wanted to show you what was going on here, and you can watch me just put the valve cover, coil cover back on, and then a little trick for the third cylinder back, or third cylinder back. So let's take a look. Here we are, driver's side. There's a plug, there's a plug, there's a plug, and there's a plug back there. Some people have said before that they have problems getting this one out. Like either the extension's too long and they're trying to go over the top of the steering shaft, or they try to go under it and they can't get an angle on it. So you can either use a shorter extension, or you can use a swivel. Go up underneath the steering shaft, hook that bad boy right on there. And it's on. And you just pull it out from there. But I've already put the new ones in. Just wanted to show you that little trick. So now I'm just going to put some dielectric grease on my new cables here. Don't forget to transfer over your heat shield from your old one to your new one. They just pop off. Slide back on. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some dielectric grease down in here, slide this back on, and then connect it back on there. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. I got this, found this little tube of dielectric grease. I'm going to push on that until I hear it click. Click. You can actually feel it too. And this side. Click. So I'm going to do the other three, and then we'll come back and show you how to put this cover on. Got them all connected. And that one back there. You have to take the oil fill cap off to pull that piece off. I always put the oil fill cap back on, and the dipstick. You have to take the dipstick out too. Take the cap off. Get your cover. Slide it on back. Yours isn't going to have that on there. This is an emergency vehicle. So I got to kind of fight around that. There we go. Get stuck on everything on these things. Slides right in, lined up, push it down. Put the oil fill cut back on, dipstick. Back in. You put your hose back on. See, this says E and G. That goes to the engine side. Ta-da. This side's done. Now on to the passenger side. Already taken the cover off. I'm just gonna have to do the plugs, and that'll be it. These are the plugs that came out of this side. Trying to get the camera to pick up on that. What if I zoom in on it? That's way too close. So yeah, it's about time. So that's the little trick for doing the driver's side, the third one back. I think it's 1, 2, 3, I think it's cylinder 4 or something like that. I don't know how Chevrolet does theirs. It's a pretty simple process to do tune-ups on these. So I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.